Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. As we have been spending time together, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, reflecting and pondering upon the Day of Judgment and going through the ayat, the verses that talk about the Day of Judgment and talk about the hereafter, I hope that you can all see that you are a part of an institution that nurtures belief in Allah and belief in everything that is going to grant us success in the hereafter, inshaAllah ta'ala. And it is every year in Ramadan, and specifically these last 10 nights, that we really depend on you to help build out our free resources, inshallah ta'ala. And so I want you to think about how much this work has meant to you personally in elevating your faith, and how much more it could mean to someone else. And contribute whatever you can, inshallah ta'ala, over these last 10 nights, so that we can continue to grow this work, inshallah ta'ala, and collectively grow our faith, and collectively, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, succeed in the hereafter. Remember, your actions echo for eternity. Act for your akhirah.